Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing Intel's Skylake integrated graphics reaching end of life. Despite Skylake processors launching with 9th generation iGPUs, the family will no longer benefit from driver updates, even if a critical issue comes to light. Intel's Skylake CPUs debuted in 2015 and have since become more dated since Windows 11 arrived with its Intel 8th Gen Core or newer architecture requirements. This EOL news might not have big consequences for desktop Skylake system users. However, users of laptops, iOS, or mini PCs may have noticed its value decrease as Intel's legacy driver changed last summer and Windows 11 kicked many modern machines into a kind of upgrade limbo. The last regular iGPU driver was released version 3.1.0.101.2115 in December 2022 and can be found on Intel's website. Intel's 7th Gen Core Kaby Lake CPUs debuted with Intel Gen 9.5 integrated graphics, and it's unlikely that this processor will soon reach EOL, as the same graphics architecture persisted through 8th, 9th, and 10th Gen Core processors. Ultimately, unless a gaping security vulnerability is found coinciding with the end of life for Skylake, users likely won't notice any major differences with their processors. Though it does shine a light on the downside to technology advances, meaning that mere 6 years after Intel's Skylake processors released, the devices have become obsolete and won't receive driver updates anymore. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel for more detailed updates on all things PC tech.